What is the train travel insurance? How to define the train travel insurance? What is the meaning of travel insurance for train? Insured shall means the passengers travelling by Indian Railway of all class who books the e-tickets through IRCT sites and OPT for travel insurance cover and paid the premium. However, the child up to 5 years of age is not covered. What is the purpose of travel insurance? Travel insurance provides the financial protections if you face certain problems when you are traveling or on holiday. It covers a range of possibilities from lost luggage to the cost of medical care if you become ill or have an accident. What is the cost of insurance for a train ticket? According to IRCT websites, the premium with effect from November 1 to 2021 is 35 paisas per passenger inclusive of all taxes. What is included in travel insurance? Travel insurance is the types of insurance that covers different risks while traveling. It covers medical expenses, lost luggage, flight cancellations, and other losses that travelers can incur while traveling. What is the difference between trip and travel insurance? Travel medical policies include benefits for medical expenses such as doctors or hospitals visits, medicals, evacuations, and reputations. Trip insurance can cover the financial investments of an international or domestic trip. What is the meaning of tickets insurance? Ticket insurance is a type of protections that might reimburse your tickets purchase if you cannot attend an event for certain covered unexpected reason. Customers can purchase it as an add-on when they buy tickets to live events like sports, games, and concerts. How do I use my travel insurance? How to use your travel insurance? Travel insurance works like most insurance policies. You purchase coverage for a period of time to protect against a certain risk. When a covered event occurs, you file a claims with the insurance companies to request payment or reimbursements for financial losses. What are the three major categories of insurance? We begin with an overview of the types of insurance from both a consumer's and a business perspective. Then we examine in greater details the three most important types of insurance: property, liabilities, and life. Does travel insurance cover delay flights? Travel insurance and flights delay. Okay, see you the next video. Take care. Bye.